Chicken breast is the most optimized meat humans currently consume. It is not popular because of tradition or flavor dominance. It is popular because it solves multiple problems at once. High protein, low fat, wide availability, easy digestion, and cultural neutrality make chicken breast the backbone of modern nutrition. When people talk about clean eating, fitness food, or diet meals, chicken breast is almost always involved. That is not marketing coincidence. It is nutritional math. Chicken breast comes from the pectoral muscle of the chicken. This muscle is used less than leg muscles, which is why it is leaner and lighter in color. Because it performs less mechanical work, it accumulates less fat and connective tissue. This anatomical reality shapes everything about chicken breast: its texture, its nutritional profile, and its cooking behavior. From a taste perspective, chicken breast is mild to the point of neutrality. Some call it boring. That criticism misunderstands its function. Chicken breast is not designed to dominate flavor. It is designed to carry flavor. Its neutrality allows it to adapt to almost any cuisine. Spices, sauces, marinades, herbs, acids, and fats define the final result. Chicken breast simply delivers structure and protein. Texture is firm and dense. When cooked correctly, chicken breast is juicy and tender. When cooked incorrectly, it becomes dry and rubbery. This sensitivity is the trade-off for its low-fat content. Now let's talk nutrition, because this is where chicken breast separates itself from almost every other meat. Chicken breast is one of the highest protein to calorie foods available from animal sources. A standard cooked serving delivers a large amount of complete protein with minimal fat and carbohydrates. Protein quality matters. Chicken breast contains all essential amino acids required by the human body. These amino acids support muscle synthesis, tissue repair, enzyme creation, immune response, and hormone production. This makes chicken breast ideal for athletes, physically active individuals, people recovering from illness, and anyone focused on preserving lean body mass. One of the key reasons chicken breast dominates fitness diets is its low-fat content. Lower fat means easier calorie control. This allows precise meal planning without sacrificing protein intake. Saturated fat levels are significantly lower than in most red meats. This is one reason chicken breast is often recommended in heart-conscious diets. Chicken breast is also low in cholesterol compared to fattier animal proteins. While dietary cholesterol is not the enemy it was once thought to be, moderation still matters in clinical nutrition. Micronutrients are present as well. Chicken breast provides vitamin B6, which plays a role in protein metabolism and brain health. It also supplies vitamin B12, supporting nerve function and red blood cell production. Niacin is another important nutrient found in chicken breast. It supports energy metabolism and cellular health. Phosphorus supports bones and cellular structure. Chicken breast is relatively low in iron compared to red meat, but it still contributes to daily intake. This is why balanced diets often combine chicken with plant or red meat sources. Digestibility is one of chicken breast's biggest advantages. It is easy to digest when cooked simply. This makes it common in medical diets, recovery meals, and elimination diets. Hospitals, athletes, and nutritionists rely on chicken breast because it delivers predictable outcomes. It fuels without complications. Now let's talk diet culture, because chicken breast has become symbolic. In bodybuilding, chicken breast is almost a meme. Rice and chicken, meal prep boxes, plastic containers. That stereotype exists because it works. Chicken breast allows consistent protein intake without flavor fatigue when rotated properly. It supports muscle growth during bulking and muscle preservation during cutting. In weight loss diets, chicken breast provides satiety without calorie overload. Protein increases fullness signals and reduces hunger. Chicken breast fits this role cleanly. In low-carb diets, chicken breast becomes a primary protein source. In low-fat diets, it becomes the centerpiece. In balanced diets, it becomes the anchor. This versatility explains its dominance. Now let's talk cooking, because chicken breast's reputation lives or dies in the kitchen. Chicken breast has very little margin for error. Overcook it and moisture escapes. Undercook it and food safety becomes a concern. Precision matters. Marination helps. Salt, acids, and fats improve moisture retention and flavor. Brining is one of the most effective techniques for chicken breast. Cooking methods matter. Pan searing, grilling, baking, poaching, and sous vide all work when temperature is controlled. Sous vide cooking has transformed how chefs treat chicken breast. It allows precise temperature control, resulting in juicy texture without guesswork. Cultural approaches vary. In Asian cuisines, chicken breast is sliced thin and cooked quickly. In Western fitness culture, it is baked or grilled simply. In Mediterranean cooking, it is marinated with herbs and olive oil. Chicken breast also appears in processed forms: deli meat, protein products, ready meals. These increase convenience but vary in nutritional quality depending on processing. Whole food chicken breast remains the gold standard. From a global perspective, chicken breast benefits from industrial efficiency. Chickens grow quickly. Breast meat yields high-value protein. Supply chains are optimized around it. This efficiency keeps prices relatively low compared to other lean proteins. Accessibility matters. Nutrition that only elites can afford does not scale. However, industrial poultry production also raises concerns. Overcrowding, antibiotic use, and animal welfare are serious issues. These are system-level problems, not flaws of chicken breast itself. Better farming practices improve outcomes. Organic, free-range, or responsibly farmed chicken may reduce some concerns, though cost increases. From an environmental standpoint, chicken breast has a lower footprint than beef or lamb. Lower feed requirements and faster growth reduce resource use per gram of protein. That does not mean impact is zero. Large-scale poultry production still consumes water, energy, and land. Balance and diversification remain important. Psychologically, chicken breast has become associated with discipline. People associate it with routine, structure, and health goals. That image is not accidental. Chicken breast represents control. You know what you are eating. You know the macros. You know the outcome. But this can also lead to burnout. Eating chicken breast without variation leads to fatigue. This is why seasoning, preparation, and rotation matter. Chicken breast should support life, not punish it. In modern food systems, chicken breast is a strategic protein. It feeds athletes, patients, workers, and families. It crosses cultural boundaries without resistance. Few foods can claim that universality. So what's the real conclusion? Chicken breast is not exciting because it doesn't need to be. It is functional, it is reliable, it is efficient, it is the cleanest expression of animal protein in mainstream diets. Not perfect, not magical, but optimized. Chicken breast is what happens when biology, agriculture, and nutrition align. It is not the future of food. It is the present foundation.